Good afternoon, visitors. The Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge is currently lifting to its full height of 135 feet for the arrival of the Mesabi Miner. If you would like to see the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge lift to its full height of 135 feet, I invite you to do so at this time. The Mesabi Miner will be arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal in about 10 minutes. Good afternoon, visitors. Just a quick public safety announcement to whoever is flying the drone. Please ground your drone. This is government property and a no-fly zone. Once again, please ground your drone. Thank you. What you just heard there is known as the Captain's Salute, one long horn followed by two short horns. It is started by the Mesabi Miner and reciprocated by the bridge. Pretty common greeting here in Duluth. The vessel currently entering the Duluth Ship Canal is the Mesabi Miner. The Mesabi Miner was built in 1977 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,004 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She's powered by two 8,000 horsepower, 16-cylinder diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots, or about 17 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The Mesabi Miner has 36 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 65 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 63,300 tons. Above her deck is a 265-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour for coal without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Mesabi Miner is currently owned and operated. The Mesabi Miner is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. This is their 8th visit to Western Lake Superior this season and their 5th visit to the Twin Ports. The Mesabi Miner is arriving today to load iron ore pellets at Canadian National. Once again, the Mesabi Miner was built in 1977 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,004 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She's arriving today to load iron ore pellets at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports.